AOCHUAN Smart X3 motor calibration. Unfold the gimbal. Press the bottom section and open the tripod. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. After the green indicator light turns on, press the power button 5 times. The indicator light will then flash sky blue. After the light starts flashing, press the power button once again. The indicator light will begin flashing rapidly continuously. Please do not touch the gimbal during this process. Keep it completely still. The gimbal motors will automatically calibrate one by one. Please wait patiently. After the calibration is completed, the motors will stop rotating, and the power button indicator will turn solid sky blue. Press and hold the power button to turn off the gimbals. Then reinstall your phone and balance it properly. The gimbal will now be ready for normal use.